Hello everyone. Welcome back to LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy.
It's great to have you here. I hope you're doing well today. In this lesson, we're going to learn something very simple, very useful, and very important. How to make sentences with be verbs and adjectives. If you're a beginner, this lesson is perfect for you. So, let's get started. Today, we are learning a very easy pattern. We use this pattern to describe people, animals, things, almost anything. A sentence like, she is happy, follows this pattern. She is the subject, is the be verb, and happy is the adjective. Simple, right? Now let's see how to choose the correct be verb. We use different be verbs for different subjects. Here is the rule. We use am with I, is with he, she, it, and are with we, you, they. Just remember these combinations. They always go together. Now, what is an adjective? It's a describing word. It tells us how someone or something is. Happy, sad, tired, hungry, tall, short, busy, free, strong, weak. We use adjectives every day. Let's make some sentences with them. With I am happy, I am tired, I am busy today. With he is, she is, it is, he is tall, she is happy, it is cold. With you are, we are, they are. You are kind. We are busy. They are strong. These sentences are perfect for daily English. Okay, now it's your turn. Repeat after me, slowly. I am hungry. She is smart. They are friendly. It is small. We are ready. Great job. Now make your own sentence using any adjective you like. Let's see how well you understood. Fill in the blanks with am, is, or are. I am happy. She is busy. We are tired. It is big. They are friendly. Did you get them right? Awesome! Great work today. You learned how to describe people and things using subject plus be verb plus adjective. Keep practicing this pattern in your daily life. The more you practice, the more confident you will become.
Thank you so much for learning with LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple English lessons. See you in the next class.